Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. This is the second part of the series and I'll be showing you how I made this wig. I used 3 bundles of 26, 26, 24 and an 18-inch frontal. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, for this you need a styrofoam dummy head. Now please try to get a very big one. If you have a head as big as mine, you will need some T-pins, but for this video I'll be using board pins because I lost my T-pin. Now the reason why you're getting pins is because you want to hold the frontal in place just so it doesn't waver and it doesn't go in your sewing. You will also need a curved needle, you need some thread, and you need a wig cap. Like I said, my head is huge, so I got the extra large wig cap. Now prior to putting the wig cap on the dummy head, I bought the wig cap and laid my frontal from ear to ear and then marked a line on both sides of my ear where the frontal should sit. And that's kind of like a guide for you to sew in the frontal. Now pin both ends of the frontal to those lines that you made on the wig cap and make sure they are secure firmly. This is a guide to know where to start and where to finish, and just so it holds the hair in place. I'm going to wrap my hair into a bun real quick. Now take one of those pins out and sew one end of the frontal firmly down and keep sewing it till you get to the other end while trying to align the front of the frontal to the wig cap. Sew it as tight as possible. Now that that's done, it's time to sew in the bundles. I double my wefts. I just think it's better. I don't know why I do it. Given a 1-inch space from the frontal, you want to start sewing in the bundles, going in the shape and direction that the bottom of the wig cap goes. And you want to sew it from end to end, but remember you're going to give a 1-inch space between the bundles and the frontal. So you want to continue going in the same direction and shape that the first bundle was going in. So take that needle and sew it, girl, sew it, girl, so it goes, so it goes, so it goes, so it goes, so and you want it so. Oh, I broke my needle. Too much play. Anyway, so I'll have to take a regular needle. And now that we're almost at the middle, you would need to straighten out that curved smiley face thing that was going on with the bundle. So now you're sewing it in a way that it straightens out and is parallel to the bottom of the frontal. Now you can see that those lines are almost straight enough. Remember that we gave a 1-inch space, so you want to take one weft of the bundle and sew it from one end of that to the other end, just so it goes right across from one end of the wig to the other end of the wig. And when you get to the bottom of the frontal, you want to overlap the bundle onto the frontal. And that's it for the sewing, guys. So this is the finished look. I like a good center part, so that's what I did. Now I'm going to brush my hair so it looks neater for the video. And that excess wig cap that is where the frontal is, we're going to cut it off.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up down below. See you in my next video.